what do you have?
Nut.
Nut? Okay, but what are you playing with on the track?
Choo-choo.
Choo-choos. Yes. And what's that choo-choo's name? Who is that?
Thomas.
That's Thomas? Uh-huh. And can you tell me the other names of the other choo-choos? What are the other trains' names?
Names.
Names? Oh, you're going to put him through the mine shaft? Uh-huh. What's that?
Truck.
Truck? Uh-huh. He goes on the back, I think, of Thomas. Or I think that's really Henry. All right. Oh, who's that? Who's the orange one? Who's that down there? Who is that?
Rusty.
Rusty! Where's Rusty gonna go?
A big.
Over the bridge? Okay. Keep him going. Up. And woo!
Truck.
Truck? The truck going? What kind of truck is that?
Big.
Is that a cement mixer? Is that how it goes? Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Can you do that again? Can you show me how that goes again? Uh-huh. Good job. And now where does he go? Oh! Oh! Who else is in there? What's that? Yeah, fire truck.
Name.
What's his name? Uh-huh. Thomas is over here, but does your fire truck have a name? Bye-bye. Oh. Gabriel, can you tell me how to say fire truck in Italian? Fire truck. Oh, very good. Autopompa, you're right. You're right. Nuts. You have a whole bag of nuts. Basti? He can't eat the nuts. You gonna give them to me? Thank you, sweetheart.